Hi everyone, today we're showcasing the HomePop upholstered classic Swoop arm accent chair, perfect for your living room or bedroom. This stylish chair features a soft, durable gray awning stripe fabric and sturdy wood legs for timeless appeal. It weighs just 30.8 pounds but supports up to 250 pounds, offering both comfort and durability. The chair's dimensions are 33.25 inches high, 25 inches wide, and 27.75 inches deep, fitting well in any space. Easy to assemble and maintain, it only requires spot cleaning to keep it looking fresh. Whether used alone or paired as a set of two, this accent chair adds extra seating and style. Enjoy a perfect blend of function and design with this classic piece for your home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.